This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 79 of Building Eleanor. You may notice I've already got the car out for this one. This time we've got a bit more engine to build, but the important thing we need the car for is we're fitting the main power switch. So for that we need one of these screws. We're going to need another one in a moment anyway, so it's just as well that I've got two of them out. Put the spare one over to one side spare. The screw, the switch fits into the dashboard here. There's a little gap there that it comes out of. So that's got to come through the back there into there. You can't really see it on the front there, but that's where that's going to be, which is fair enough. It works. It's as good a place as any to put it. That it will go through off from the back to hold that in place. So yeah, I shall get that in place in a moment. The only other thing we're going to do so far is fit this to that. It goes on, where are we? On there. A pin and a screw that hold that together on there. That goes in there like that. And screw, I might as well use this one, they're both the same. Go through there to hold that together. There we go, that's that bit done. And that we're not doing anything with quite yet either. So I've put both of those off to one side. Next time I think we're going to be doing some stuff with that. But then we've got this to fit. Let's see exactly the way round it's going to go. That shape piece is on the outside. Going in that way round. Screw coming in from this side. And that's going to go and basically just hold the switch in place. So yeah, I can see where that's going to go. Oh, that's the bit that goes over the switch. So got to maneuver. Get that in there. Right, there we go. That's where it goes. Up there. Switch goes through next to that there. Like that. And that goes next to it like that. I'm not going to be able to do this bit on camera, so let me get that in place and then see how it looks at the end. Yeah, there you go, I got there eventually. So that's now in place with the plate on the back holding it in place, and the switch you can operate from the inside in both the up and the down position. It does wobble a bit when you push it down, but I'm sure it's okay. Not that it's going to get played with an awful lot. And we're just leaving that off to there. So that is this stage completed. With that and that, I can put the car away for a little while now, because next time we're just continuing building up on the engine. So, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.